Veeda helped a leading US-based pharmaceutical company that specializes in development, manufacturing, and distribution of niche generic products execute the entire clinical process of their first-to-file study. When life science companies across the world were scrambling to mitigate the impacts of COVID-19 on their clinical studies and business operations, here is how we integrated our operational capabilities with the ultimate goal of delivering reliable results. There were major challenges faced by our project management, clinical and bioanalytical teams at every stage, starting from shipment of RLD to dispatching of final report. Project management challenges: managing clinical trial sites, clinical research associates and workflow under extremely tight timelines. Clinical challenges: training of staff under COVID-19 situation, housing large number of volunteers, closely monitoring the entire dosing process. Bioanalytical challenges: successfully completing the large sample analysis without affecting the other ongoing studies. Here is how we delivered quality results in record period of 12 days.
This type of study involves thorough planning, strict timelines, and instant resolution, while everybody in the market is trying to win the race. Preparation is always better than planning, and hence we pen down every little steps from RLD launch to report submission as a part of our micro plan. We also ran our study virtually, as simulation helps improving optimization. Getting approval from local authorities to conduct the study with such a large sample size during COVID situation was a challenge. To handle this, we decided to conduct the study at our Mehsana facility to ensure safety of all our volunteers and employees, as Ahmedabad was going through a tough COVID situation. We were granted study conduction permission from authorities after a thorough inspection of the entire facility.
After the launch of reference product in USA, its shipment got delayed due to non-functioning of cargo and passenger flights. To handle this, we formed a team separately to closely track the shipment. For first-to-file study, prime challenge is recruitment within the short notice. To be prepared for the last-minute adversities, we had a backup of eligible volunteers approximately 1.5 times compared to normal. Also, we went an extra mile in a manner where volunteers were screened and kept ready with additional housing of 1 day prior to the check-in, so that volunteer dropout on the last day can be avoided. Also, the staff to volunteer ratio was kept 1:1 so that we can achieve the error-free dosing. Even after dosing, the documents review by quality monitor team, series capturing for the study, data submission to the QA department, QA query resolution, and submission of scanned data to report writing team. All the steps were completed in ongoing manner in smaller batches with necessary piecemeal planning to achieve the planned timeline. And of course, the new routine related to COVID-19 situation where preventive measures and safety criteria were added complexities. We are proud to say that yes, we completed the quality work within the fast-track timeline.
The method was validated and the method qualification was done on different machines well in advance to the clinical slot. During the project sample analysis, 25 machines were used from both the facilities as it was a time-bound project. The raw data was submitted to the Bioanalytical quality monitors for their parallel review and to the quality assurance department for their review. The micro planning was required in terms of analysis, in terms of sample receipt, sample transfer, sample retrieval, sample processing, the equipments used and the manpower planning. The analysis was done on time even though there was a delay from the other side due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation. The method was robust, rugged, and the analysis was accurate, which was evident from the ISR results, which was more than 98% for both the analytes and for both the studies. Documentation was done online despite the high-speed analysis without compromising on any of the quality parameters. The report was submitted within 12 hours after completion of analysis.
Deliverables. with immense coordination between our project managers, bioanalysts, custodians, bioanalytical quality monitors, Watson LIMS team, report writing team and quality assurance team. We completed the sample analysis of around 3,700 samples per study within 15 hours of the receipt of the samples at our laboratory. The compilation of the clinical data, review and submission of the CSR to QA was done within 38 hours of the completion of the last sample collection. We were able to complete the statistical analysis and preparation of the draft report within 24 hours. Even the CDIST report was compiled in 36 hours. Veeda was ahead of timeline in terms of meeting sponsors' expectations, as we strongly believe in going that extra miles for our clients. With over 15 years of experience, we offer to you an end-to-end clinical trial support through our robust technology, extensive drug testing environment, and unparalleled customer experience. Partners in creating a healthier tomorrow.